maybe you never pay attention to us. The ubiquitous care. You can touch it. Satisfy all your curiosity. You can perceive it. Quiet and comfortable, you can experience it. The joy in your leisure time, you can appreciate it. Joyson was established in 2005, located in Zhejiang, Pinghu Chemical Industries Zone, 5 kilometers away from Shanghai. We are a leading chemical additives manufacturer, specialized in chemical foaming agent, calcium zinc stabilizer, WPC lubricant and some special performance additives. R&D department is one of the most active team in Joyson, with the help of advanced equipments and everyone's persistent efforts. More than 20 invention patents and a few technical application results have been obtained. Company is running under ISO certification. Advanced automation production and packaging equipments are operated by skilled technicians. Guarantee the product's quality and stability. Outstanding personality and outstanding quality are Joyson company philosophy. We will provide cost-effective additives and integrated solutions for polymer industry. From the past to the future, we will always be with you.